Good morning, my dear students. Today, I'm going to start with the next chapter, Lesson 2, Computer Software. So, I would request you all to kindly open page number 18. We all know that in the past 2 decades, that means in the past 20 years, computers have reshaped our lives almost everywhere. That means wherever we go, we will find the computer, whether it is a shopping mall, bank, hospitals, restaurants, offices, multinational companies, everywhere. You will find the computer. There has been an enormous increase in the use of computers. Enormous means huge. Huge increase in the computers. A computer can be defined as an electronic device. Now, if you remember, I have told you that what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device that performs diverse operations. Diverse means many types of operations, many types of work with the help of instructions to process the data. That means whatever the user gives the instructions to the computer works on those instructions, and according to those instructions, the data gets processed and we get the desired result. That means input, process, output. A computer system is made up of number of electronic devices. We all know that in a computer system, you will find hardware and software. Now, if you remember, I have taught you this hardware and software in class 3. Okay, that an entire computer system is made up of 2 parts, hardware and software. Now, what is hardware? Hardware is those parts of a computer system which you can touch and feel, like keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer, joystick. So all these things are the physical parts of a computer, and these parts are known as hardware. What is a software? Software is that part of a computer which we cannot touch, which we cannot feel, like MS Paint, MS Word, MS Office, music files, your movies that are there in your computer system, the games that you play on your computer system. So these are what? These are the software. And the software, basically, it runs on the computer. Hardware refers to the physical components that make up a computer system. Now, in this chapter, you will study about the software. Now, what is a computer? A computer is defined as an electronic device, a device which runs on electricity, that performs diverse operations, means many different types of operations. Okay, like you can do painting, you can do typing, you can calculate, you can play a game, you can listen to the music, you can watch the movies, and so on, with the help of instructions to process the data in order to achieve the desired results. That means the user inputs the data gets processed, and according to the processed data, we get the desired result. A computer is made up of hardware and software. Hardware is that part of a computer which we can touch and feel, like keyboard, scanner, printer, mouse, monitor. These are all the hardware of the computer. Next is software. Now, what is a software? Software is a set of instructions that makes the computer perform tasks. Okay, so that means in general, I will tell you what is a software. Like your MS Paint is a software. Okay, games is a software. Your music on the software on which you listen to the music, like Windows Media Player, that is a software. Operating system, like your Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, these are all software. Okay, so what is a software? It is a set of instructions, means a combination of instructions that helps the computer to perform a particular work. Software is another term of for a computer program. Okay, like when you say that, a computer program is known as a software also, like your MS Word is basically a computer program. Okay, it is a programming. Okay, so that program is basically known as a software. Without software, a computer is useless. In your computer, in your laptop, in your desktop, in your smartphone, if there is no software, obviously you cannot work on a computer. It is useless. What does it do? It controls the computer and makes it to do a useful work. Means the entire computer is dependent on the software, and with the help of software you can do a particular work. Now, types of software. Software is basically divided into two parts: system software and application software. What is a system software? System software: operating system, programming software, and utility software. These are the three different types of system software, like operating system, programming software, and utility software. So these are all the system software. Now, what is a system software? System software, it is the most important software to operate a computer. Like in your computer system, in your laptop, in your desktop, the moment you turn on your system, you see an operating system. Okay, so if there is no operating system in your computer, in your laptop, obviously your system will not work. Okay, so that operating system is a system software on which your computer works. It is the most important software to operate a computer. Means whatever work you are doing on your system, it is just because of the system software. The operating system is a type of system software. System software can be classified into three categories: operating system, programming software, and utility software. Now we will study all the different types of system software one by one. Today we will only study about the operating system. What is an operating system? Let's see. Operating system, it is the most important software that runs on a computer. Okay, operating system, it is the most important. If there is no operating system in your computer will not work. And what is the example of operating system? Windows, Android. Your entire smartphone works on Android operating system, and the Windows also. Okay, in your laptop, in your desktop, which software do you install? Windows 10. Okay, so Windows 10 is what? Windows 10 is an operating system. If there is no operating system, how will you play a game? How will you do painting? How will you open MS Word? How will you work on internet? Nothing can be done if there is no operating system in your PC. It manages the computer's memory. What does it do? It manages the computer's memory. Okay, it processes the data, and it also manages. It does not process, it manages the processing also, and it manages the control of all the software and the hardware. Like when you're moving the mouse also, it is because the mouse software is there installed in your operating system. Okay, you work with the help of the keyboard. That is because the keyboard software is there in your computer system. computer's memory, hard disk, RAM. Process data, CPU. Okay, so CPU works with the help of the operating system only. It serves as an interface. Interface means a link, a connection. Okay, it serves as an interface between the user and the hardware. Okay, it serves as a interface. Interface means that it is a link between the user and the hardware. Hardware, your keyboard, mouse, your printer, but when you have to do the work with the help of the mouse, there is a pointer on the screen. When you press the left mouse button and you want to open anything on your operating system, a particular file, a particular button, you do it with the help of a mouse. But what is the how you do it? It is an interface. It is because of the operating system. So operating system is the link between the user and the hardware. Without an operating system, a computer is useless. I have told you that if there is no operating system in your PC, in your smartphone, your system or your PC or your smartphone will not work. Examples: Microsoft Windows, Mac operating system, Linux, iMac, Unix and DOS. These are all the different examples of the operating system. You can see this is the icon of which operating system? Windows. This is Mac. This is Linux. And this is Unix. Okay, these are all the different logos of the operating system. The last topic of today is functions of an operating system. What are the functions? Like I have told you. What does it do? It manages the computer resources. So that means it coordinates with the memory, the processing, storage and the printers. It monitors system performance. How does your system is working? Okay. Then it provides you with the security. If you have the PC, you can see, you can check the security. Means you have to press the user ID, the password also, and starts up the computer. When you open your system, it takes few seconds. So what does it do? It manages your computer resources. Whatever is there in your computer, everything is managing by the operating system. It provides the user interface, that is GUI. If you remember, you have studied in class 4 also about the GUI, that is graphical user interface. Okay, it runs the applications. You can do multitasking and you can also foreground and background applications. All right. So this is all for today, children. I hope you have understood, and please do like and subscribe the channel. Okay, press the like button if you like the video, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel so that you can make the best of it, and please recommend your friends and your neighbors also to do so. Thank you so much.